Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay,
Morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
good morning. As we have
Good
already
morning,
started,
everyone.
good, good morning. Now mute yourself, everyone. As we have already started this lesson, and today we are going to continue with page number 21, second paragraph. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
second paragraph is like this. However, the second column points out how poor the health situation is in our country with all above position sorry, with all the positive developments. So many positive developments are there, but then also what happened? The situation is not so satisfactory. Then, with all the other positive developments, we are not able to provide proper healthcare facilities to people. So many medical facilities are available, so many hospitals are there, but then also what happened? Okay, we are not able to provide proper healthcare facilities to all the people. Now, this is the paradox. This is a paradox means this is a paradox. The word paradox means it can be both true as well as untrue that we are not providing proper healthcare facilities to people. Now this is a paradox sometimes that is contrary to what we would expect. That means we are expecting that every person should get uh, proper healthcare facilities, but still they are not getting how much we are expecting from our government. Then our country has the money, knowledge, and people with experience, but cannot make necessary healthcare available to all. So our country is having enough of money, even of knowledge is there in the people. That is, they are becoming doctors. Big doctors are there, and people are having good experience, but they also that also cannot make the necessary healthcare available to all. So now in this chapter, we are going to see the reasons for this. Why, in spite of having so many facilities, then also why we are not able to provide proper healthcare to all. Clear? Now, the story of Hakim Sheikh. Hakim Sheikh was the member of Pashchim Banga Khet Mazdoor Samiti. In short, it is called as PBKMS. Now, it is a short story about Hakim Sheikh that he was the member of Pashchim Banga Khet Mazdoor Samiti. This is an organization. What is this PBKMS? It is a it is,
Organization.
yes, it is an organization of agricultural laborers in West Bengal. So this is an organization. PBKMS is an organization of agricultural laborers in West Bengal. One evening in 1992, he accidentally fell off a running train and suffered head injuries. That means uh, on means one evening in 1992. This is the study of 1992 that accidentally he fell off a running train and suffered head injuries. He got the head injuries when he fell from the running train. Then he was in a very serious condition and needed immediate treatment. So who was in a very serious condition? Who was in very serious condition?
Hakim Sheikh.
Hakim
Hakim
Sheikh.
Sheikh.
Yes, Hakim Sheikh was in serious condition when he fell from the train. He was taken to the government hospital in Kolkata, but he refused to admit him. But they refused to admit him because they did not have a spare bed. Now, first of all, Hakim Sheikh was taken to which hospital? Government hospital in
Hospital.
Kolkata. There, but their
Kolkata.
but their government hospital administration refused to admit Hakim Sheikh. Why they refused to admit Hakim Sheikh? Because they did not have a spare bed.
Because they don't have
Ha,
a
ex,
spare bed.
spare bed means extra bed. No bed was vacant for at that time for Hakim Sheikh. Now another hospital did not have the facility. Now Hakim Sheikh was taken to another hospital, but that hospital also did not have facility or specialized doctor necessary for his treatment. Now another hospital, Hakim Sheikh was taken, but there also enough of facilities and specialized doctors were not there, which can give the accurate or necessary treatments to Hakim Sheikh. Now, in this way, he spent 14 hours in critical state. Now, in this condition only, that means the serious condition only, he had to spend 14 hours and was taken to 8 different government hospitals, but none of them admitted him. Means within 14 hours, Hakim Sheikh has to go from one hospital to another hospital, government hospital, but he was not admitted because some of the other reason. Finally, he was admitted in a private hospital. Now, finally, what happened? The place was there in the private hospital where
Private
he,
hospital.
yes, where he received treatment. He spent, now private hospital was there. There he spent a lot of money on the treatment. Now, as first of all, he was taken to government hospital. Government hospital uh, was very is very cheap. So he was first of all taken in the government hospital. But there no bed was spare, no treatment, proper treatment can be provided to Hakim Sheikh as if what was necessary. And so finally he was taken to private hospital where he received the treatment. He had to spend a lot of money in his treatment, and angry and upset over the different attitudes of all the hospitals that refused to admit him, Hakim Sheikh and PBKMS failed to file a case in the court. Now what happened? Now Hakim Sheikh and the PBKMS
PBKMS.
means the organization, the members of the organization all got very much angry with the what? With the attitude of government hospitals,
Attitude of hospitals.
government hospitals who refused to admit Hakim Sheikh when it was very much necessary for Hakim Sheikh to save the life. Then the cost of a cure. Now this was the condition of the government hospital we have seen, and finally it was taken to private hospital. Now this is a small again a story of a cost of a cure that Aman and Ranjan are good friends. Now this again story will uh, tell us about the differentiation between a government and a private hospital. Yes, yes, beta.
Ma'am, PBKMS. Ma'am, PBKMS means ma'am Paschim Banga. Ma'am, Banga, what is Banga?
Bengal, Paschim Bengal, West Bengal. This is the word in Hindi given, beta. Paschim Bengal. Banga is in short Bengal
But ma'am,
called.
upper side ma'am, it is written Banga.
हाँ यार बंगा इज रिटन ना बंगा वो हिंदी में बोला गया है वो अपना अलग वर्ड कोई भी अपन नाम दे देते हैं ना एनी नेम शॉर्ट नेम वी गिव निक नेम टाइप वी गिव सो हियर पश्चिम
ma'am.
पश्चिम मीन्स वेस्ट बंगा मीन्स बंगाल बंगाल वाज कॉल्ड एज बंगा खेत मजदूर समिति ओके
Okay, ma'am.
Now Aman and Ranjan are good friends while Ranjan come from the well-to-do family. Now Ranjan is from well-to-do family means good family. Aman's parents have to struggle to make ends meet. Now Aman is from belongs to the poor family where they had to struggle a lot to end meets. End meets means to fulfill their daily requirement. Got it? What the difference between Aman and Ranjan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that is one is from the rich family, Aman. Sorry, Ranjan, while Aman is from the poor background.
Poor family.
Well-to-do family.
Hi, Aman. Good to see you back. How have you been? Now both are meeting after a long time, and I have a viral fever and had to go to the hospital. Aman is saying that he was having the viral fever and he had to go to the hospital. Oh, me too. I just go back to school on Monday. My daddy took me to see the doctor at a new hospital in Kingsway, and it was very exciting. Now this is Ranjan. This is Aman. Aman is from the poor family. Ranjan is from the good rich family, and that is why both were having some problem, health problem. One was both were taken to the hospital. Now, what is the difference between both the hospitals they were taken? The building looked so posh. Now, this is the what? Who is giving the building so looked so posh? Aman. Sorry, Ranjan. Ranjan, who is from the Which family? He is
Which
telling that,
family?
he is telling that the building looked so posh. I thought it was five-star hotel. That means the a hospital was looking as if it was a hotel, five-star hotel. Daddy said it was because it was a private hospital with the best of the facilities. So Ranjan was taken to the private hospital with best of the facilities where the building itself looked like a five-star hotel.
Hotel.
Clear? Now next, Daddy had to pay rupees 500 at the reception counter itself before we even met a doctor. Now before they met the doctor, they had to pay rupees 500 at the reception. Now there was nice music playing and everything was really clean and shiny. Now this is the condition of a private hospital where Ranjan was taken when he was not for the proper health. Uh, so the hospital was very neat and clean. Even music was playing on, and they had to pay rupees 500 at the reception counter only before they meet the doctor. Now the doctor asked for many tests, but everyone was so friendly. The lady who took my blood for testing told me so many jokes that I forgot to feel the pain. Now this is again the condition, the treatment of the people who are working in a private hospital. That means that when the doctor asked for many tests, the test was being taken by the concerned worker or nurse, we can say. The blood test was being taken, and the behavior of that worker was also very nice. That means she was telling many jokes and all, so that the patient does not feel any pain. And you have heard the one about Batman or reality TV show. This is the conversation between the lady who is taking the blood sample of Ranjan. Now, after the test result came, we went back to the doctor who looked through them and said everything was fine and I only had a viral fever. Now, after the test result, it was mentioned that everything was fine, only a viral fever was there. He prescribed some medicines and rest. So the doctor had asked him for some medicines and all, and for the to take the rest. Clear till here? Now, and so young man, this pink pill should be. Now, this is the conversation between a doctor and Ranjan. So here also the conversation is very much in a means peaceful and a good manner way in which the patient really feel nice to talk to the doctor. And so young man, this pink pill should be taken 3 times a day and the white tablet once before the uh, bedtime. That's for body ache. And this one instead of don't worry, it's tasty. No, that so the medicine also provided to the patient is tastier. Clear? Thank you, doctor. I feel better already. Means talking to doctor and nurses only, their way of talking, their way of behavior only made Ranjan feel better most. Then you see, I have been trying to tell you all about it, but what about you? Which hospital did you go? Now Ranjan is asking to Aman, now which hospital he went. It wasn't nice as yours at all. Now Aman is belongs to the poor family, so he definitely he is going to have the treatment in the government hospital, means where the cheap treatment can be provided and can be affordable to the parents. So Aman is telling that Abba didn't want to take me because he did it would take too much time. Now, first, it was not nice to go to the have the treatment in that hospital because it took too much time. Why too much time it took? Because the long queue was there. It is
For the government hospital.
it was a government hospital, and government hospital, most of the people want to prefer to the government hospital so that cheap treatment is provided, which is easily affordable by the common man. So we went to big government hospital. We had to wait in a long queue at the OPD counter. OPD means outpatient department, which are not admitted in the hospital. जो बाहर से दिखाने आते हैं उन्हें OPD बोलते हैं. जो जो हॉस्पिटल में ऑलरेडी पेशेंट्स एडमिटेड है वो नहीं, उनके अलावा जो दिखाने आते हैं बाहर से, दैट इज ओपीडी काउंटर. I was feeling so sick that I had to lean on Abbas all the time. That means Aman was feeling so sick that so much time was also consumed over there, standing in a long queue, that this Aman was not feeling better at all, and he has to lean on Abba. Abba means father here. When our turn came, the doctor examined me and asked me for the blood test. Then we had to go and stand in another long queue. People were crowding around the testing room also. Now here also a big crowd is there. But where Ranjan was going in a private hospital, no crowd, clean and clean environment was there, clean and soothing environment was there. But here everywhere crowd is there. We got the test result after
Ma'am,
3
what
days.
is OPD?
Outpatient department, where from the outside when patient in emergency come and take this appointment there for the doctors and all. वो पहले से ही मतलब गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल में, जो हॉस्पिटल में ऑलरेडी पेशेंट एडमिट हैं, they are the inside patients of the government hospital, but OPD is outside, outpatient department. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. There was a different doctor that day. Now, when the test result came after 3 days, that time also the different doctor was there, and there was a different doctor that has shown me this OPD card and the test result quickly, please. Now, doctor was asking to show the OPD card and the test result and all. So he seems to be suffering from about a viral fever. Nothing to worry about. All is one fever reducing medicine. So now this fever reducing medicine was also given to Aman. My hospital was nice, but they gave me many medicines and the whole thing cost quite a lot. That means, my treatment did not cost much. So, Ranjan treatment cost a lot, whereas Aman treatment did not cost much. Now, from here, we will have a clear study of public and private healthcare services. That means public hospitals and private hospitals and all. Clear? Now, from the above story, you must have understood that we can roughly divide up various healthcare facilities in two categories. Now, healthcare facilities, total healthcare facilities can be divided into mostly two categories. That is, first is private healthcare services, sorry, public healthcare services. Second is private health facilities. Clear till here, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Healthcare facilities can be divided into how many categories? Two. So first we are going to read about public health services. Now, public health services is a chain of health centers. Now, what is public health service? Underline this, public health service is a chain of health centers and hospitals run by the government. Clear? So what is public health service? It is a chain of health centers. Either health dispensaries are there, or we can say hospitals are there. They are run by the government. If it is public, that means it is run by the government. They are linked together so that they cover both rural and urban areas. All linked together, public health services, they cover both rural and urban areas and can also provide treatment to all kinds of problems, from common illness to special services. So from common illness till special services, all type of treatment is provided in this public health service centers. At the village level, there are health centers where there is usually a nurse and a village health worker. Now, village level, what is the condition of village level? Government village level health centers is there, and there a nurse is there who is taking care of that health center, and a worker is there. So they are trained in dealing with common illness. Common illness, if common illness is there, then these nurses and workers in the village, they usually deal with the patient themselves and work under the, now these this nurse and a worker work under whom? Under the supervision of doctors at the primary health center. In short, it is called as PHC. So this nurse and a worker in at the village level work under the supervision of doctors at the primary health centers. Such a center covers many villages in the rural areas. So many villages together comes under this primary health center. Clear? Many villages are there. All the villages have their own. All the villages are having their own health centers, and if they are having their own health centers, each village health center is having a nurse and a worker, and all these health centers of all the villages of that particular area are under the supervision of doctors at the primary health center. At the district level is a district hospital, and that is a province, okay, and that supervises all the health centers. Large cities have many government hospitals, such as one where Aman was taken, also specialized government hospitals, such as the one in Hakim Sheikh's story. Now, where Hakim Sheikh was taken from one hospital to another, that was also the government hospitals. Here, Aman was taken also to the government hospital. So they are all under this sorry, public health services. Now, health services is called public for many reasons. Why this health service is called as public health services? Now, in order to fulfill this its commitment of providing healthcare to all citizens, the government has established these hospitals and health centers. Now, to fulfill what commitment that the government will provide healthcare facilities to all the citizens, and that is why the government has established the hospitals and the health centers. Clear? Also, the resources needed to run these services are obtained from money that we, the public, pay to the government as taxes. Now, these government hospitals, these government health centers are run by by whose money? By the money which we give to the government in the form of tax. Clear? Hence, such facilities are meant for everyone. So, as whatever tax we pay to the government, a small amount of that tax is used for the uh, health centers and all, government hospitals and all. Hence, such facilities are meant for everyone. One of the most important aspects of public health system is that it is meant to provide quality healthcare services either free or at the low cost. So these government healthcare facilities is provided what? Quality healthcare services is provided either free or at the low cost. That is what a long queue is there in the hospital so that even poor can seek treatment. Another important function of the public health is to take action to prevent the spread of diseases. Another important function of this government hospital is that to prevent the spread of diseases such as TB, malaria, jaundice, cholera. All these are what? Diseases which spread. Yes. So to prevent spreading of these types of diseases, government also takes many steps so that people are means protected from these types of diseases and diarrhea, chikungunya, etc. Now, this has to be organized by the government with the participation of the people. Otherwise, it is not effective. For example, when taking up a campaign to see that mosquitoes do not breed in water coolers, rooftops, etc. This has to be done for all houses in the areas. Now, proper organized, that is, it has to be organized by the government with the participation of the people. Means people participation is also necessary. That they also what take or take part in such type of campaigns to stop spreading of the diseases in their own locality. Clear? And such type of campaigns is to see that mosquito do not breed in the water coolers rooftops, etc. This has to be done for all the houses in the area. Clear? Now about the taxes, why pay taxes to the government? Government uses tax money for providing many public services for the benefit of the citizens. Now, all of you are aware about that we have to pay taxes. Yes, certain amount, when the salary of certain amount is there, at that amount we all have to pay the taxes. Your parents might have been paying the taxes to the government. Now this tax money paid to the government is for the benefit of the citizens only. That money is used for the welfare of the public only. Clear? Some services such as defense. Now, for what purpose government is using this tax money? The government is using this tax money for defense, police, judicial system, highways, and to benefit all the citizens. Clear? For some or the other purpose to for the welfare of the people, this tax money is used by the government. Now, tax fund development programs and services such as now development programs also takes place from time to time by the government with the help of this tax money only. So education,
Time
health,
is over.
no problem. Still 5 minutes are there. No? Okay, I'll stop here only. In our next class, we'll continue with this text, okay, this paragraph. Okay,
Ma'am.
okay, fine. So that's all for today. Thank you.
Nice.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.